Good morning. We are headed to Kona. Where are we headed? We headed to the beach. The waves are good. Charlie's gonna go surfing. It's so beautiful and sunny today, so we're gonna take advantage of that. What a life it would be to live right there. You could just walk right out, and there's your backyard. And look at the happiest dog ever! The happiest dog. Quick little morning beach trip. It's so beautiful out. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited because the weather is finally nice enough to not be like bundled as you can get. But just gonna take a little nice walk down this lovely beach, and the doggos like to run up and down and terrorize all the surfers, so that's what we'll be doing today. And she's right on cue. Right on cue. Until the wave comes, and nope, she's out. Seagull hunting. Luna, you're making me very nervous. I'm not sure what's going on here, but Luna is freaking out about this house. I've never seen her woof like this, but she's actually barking at it. What is it, Lulu? What is it? Do you see a ghost? Do you see something? What is it? Lulu, what is it? It's okay. We'll continue on our beach stroll. How amazing is this though? You can walk all the way down the beach and there's no one. It's crazy. And look at these beautiful houses behind me. Well, Luna's scared of that one, but like, what a life. To just be able to live right on the water like that. Just walk down the stairs on the ocean. Amazing. I'm trying to think what something like that costs where I'm located, but I don't know. I should know that because Charlie's in real estate, but I don't. I also should have brought glasses. So I'm really stoked about this this tool that I got. It is a high frequency wand. It uses two different types of gases, I guess. One's argon and one's neon. And the neon helps with anti-aging, and the argon helps with antibacterial, so it kills like acne or any blemishes. and it's one of the only things that it actually doesn't have a purging phase before you do it. It just kills it and kind of just goes away. So I tried it on this like ugly little zit right here yesterday that just like popped up, and I can't believe how quickly, like within a matter of 2-3 hours, it had already gone down. And it seemed like it was going to be like one of those problem ones that was like right on the front of my face. The wind in our ears. Hey!